Okay, so we're creating this report, and then we're almost done. Like what I want additionally here, I want some filters. So I'll just resize this visuals so that I can add some filters. So I add a filter, I'll say country. I'll add another filter, which will say category. Okay, and that's it. When I filter on this, my data will be filtering over here. So I can add lot many things. I can make this dashboard more effective and beautiful. But then that's how it is, like, correct, like how quickly we have connected to data and how quickly we have created this simple report, which will give some kind of analysis to the user. And it didn't require that much of time, correct? So that's how it is. If I want to share this report, right? So what I can do, I can save this report simply anywhere on my desktop. And I'll save this. And I'll say publish. So when I publish it, that means I am publishing it to web. That is a Power BI service workspace where I'm publishing, and we'll see that workspace and all those things in our entire course. Like what are those workspaces and how we share that report with other users. And there's success. Now I can open that report. And this is the report now I have just created. And this you can see here, and I can share this report now with anyone. Like I can click on here and I can share with, I can enter their email addresses and I can share. If it is an organization, I can share that report to anyone. So that's how I can easily create a report and I can share it with other users also. So that's all. Like this is what is a Power BI premium workspace, where you have a lot many workspaces, and then you have this whatever report I publish, those will get added over here, and I can definitely see any of those report from here.
Hello. Is this somewhere like similar to Data Studio, Google Data Studio?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like a platform, like in Power BI, they have distributed in two platforms. Like everything you develop in for developer, everything you develop into Power BI desktop, which is free. And then you publish it to this workspace online version, and then you can share with other users also.
Okay.
Like at a time you can share with this, like if you want to share with 400 users, then you just enter the email ID or their group email ID, and you just click on share. They will get access to that report. You can embed this report in SharePoint. You can embed this report in Teams or any website. Also, you can embed this report.
Okay. So in that case, like they also need to have something of like Power BI on their system in order to open the report. No,
they don't need Power BI on this. That's why Power BI is getting useful, correct? That they need zero knowledge on Power BI. If they have to start on Power BI, if a user, if your customer wants to start on Power BI, they need a zero knowledge on Power BI. They don't need Power BI desktop. Just they will get this link. They will get an email from Power BI that you have shared a report with them. They will have to click on that link and they will get to the screen.
Okay, so it will be like the same way.
Same way.
It will.
Yeah. The way right now it is looking, it will be the same way there.
Okay.
So that's what I wanted to share with you all. I'm now open for questions if you have any.
So you will be taking us through all the like it will be like a thorough training, right? Because even I'm new to Power BI, have no nothing, no knowledge at all. So
Hello.
hello.
Alpesh, I mean, he was taking
Sorry,
class, right?
I thought I think I was on mute. So I'll just answer your question first that you
Mhm.
will go through each and every detail, like from basics, what knowledge you
Right.
need prior to that. You just need to know word Power BI. That's it. Like nothing else is needed. You will have to
Mhm.
install Power BI desktop, which is free. But then
Mm.
you can install it. And if you face any difficulties, I'll definitely help you in installing that. But then from there, we can start. And then this version, correct? Like you also need the web version. So I'll provide you a
Mm.
dummy web version. You can use it for maybe 50-60 days, and then you can practice on that.
Okay.
So we'll be going through each and every phase. Like there are like 4 to 5 modules in our course, which starts from getting data into Power, like introduction to Power BI, entire Power BI
Mm.
desktop, then how to get data into Power BI, then how to transform data into Power BI, how to add some formulas, functions into data, then how to visualize, then how to share with users. So that's all uh, completes our course.
Okay. Fine.
Hello.
Adish, yes, yeah,
Yeah, Poonam here.
yes.
Yeah, actually, same here that I have not done anything, any data visualization course, anything. I'm not aware of. I'm new to
Mm-hmm.
this technology also.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually looking for a career change, so that's why I'm
Mm-hmm.
learning these new
Mm-hmm.
things. So I'm just wanted to go for a data analyst job.
Yeah,
So for all these things, I'm learning. So I'm totally new to this. I have done this all long time back in Excel only, but obviously that many features were not there. It's a just basic, chart, pie chart, and all that we used to make it. That's
yeah.
all I'm aware of. I think it will cover each and everything.
Yeah, it will cover each and everything. Not like I'm running other batches also where students are like some of those are like past college pass outs also. So I have to start from very basic, like explaining each and everything, like what is this and how it is used. And once you know that, then we also see from that perspective. Like once you know this Power BI desktop, then from interview perspective also, correct? Like how what practical you also need a practical knowledge like
Yeah,
how
that's
in
exactly. Yeah,
organization things are.
we are
It's
going to
just
use
like
it.
theoretical, correct? So as I am aware, like I have worked on like 6 to 7 years, I have gone through various scenarios, but definitely I'll explain those scenarios, what will happen, how we will get, how what errors will get, how to resolve those errors. Then if I'm teaching a topic, then how that topic can be asked in interview, how the question will be framed, how to answer that question, how to see like if the question is this, then is from which topic. So that will go through this entire course. When we go to that entire course, I'll be telling you that like this is what is asked in the interview, or this is how we face scenarios. Like you might face this when you are doing in your organization. Like if you are in small organization or even big organization. So that's what we'll also see.
Okay. So I hope more or less all, I mean, like that's better the way you said that we need introduction so that we should know that because sometime in your group people are already well aware of many things, so the things goes like that. So it's better you because I think the one who already has talked about it's me. I think 3 4 more people are there. I hope all are at same level because otherwise,
Yes. Poonam, same here. Even I'm looking for a change in
Yeah, so it's
IT.
better you ask
So
other also because otherwise because I'm totally new to this industry as well as to this visualization tool. So I feel like that somebody if teaching me to this should teach me from the scratch. So if all are in the same scenario, so then it's always better because otherwise personally you won't be able to focus on me, or it's better that the all should have same mindset and the level.
Yeah, I can understand that. But even though they have some knowledge on those things, then definitely we will be starting from basics. I'm not sure what Ajinkya and Vaibhav has any prior
I
experience.
think you can ask them. They can unmute
Yes,
themselves.
Ajinkya and Vaibhav, can you maybe introduce yourself quickly and what your expectations are from this class?
Yes, sir. Actually, same here, sir. Asmita and Poonam said, I'm also new for this
Okay, that's
technology.
good. Yeah.
Sir, my question is, using Power BI, is there any scope in finance capital market? Actually, I work in finance capital in 2 years experience in Atos. So,
From finance perspective, it will not I will not learn any financial concepts here, but yes, from analysis perspective, how to give
okay,
analysis to your data. Like this is a data visualization tool, correct? An analysis tool. So whatever data you have got and what kind of analysis you want to do, that you will be definitely will be able to do. Either that data is from finance or data is from manufacturing, because there are a lot many financial reports are built on Power BI also. So that's definitely going to help. But as far as this your requirement is something that you want to build some reports in on financial analysis, or what is your requirement? Like,
yes,
yeah. So
okay,
that will be covered. Like you can have your sample data, and then we'll see that. Like you can start
right.
building that report as we progress on the class. Like you can take that data, and as I told, one by one class you can develop on that report.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, Alpesh.
And Vaibhav,
Yes, I'm Vaibhav, sir. I'm asking this question, sir.
sorry, and then Ajinkya.
I'm very much clear that I have to do that course now, because I am already working for Citibank
Okay.
and in a financial reporting. So it will be helpful for me to if I complete this course.
Okay, so you do have any prior knowledge on Power BI or?
No, actually, I have to learn from scratch now, but I'm good with Excel.
Yeah, then that's a good starting point. I think every one of you are starting on Power BI. So I'll be anyway. I will be on. I'll starting on basics. But if you are all like starting from basics, then it will be beneficial for all of you. And then definitely, then if there are four minds, correct, then there will be a lot of questions and then a lot of brainstorming. So that will definitely help all of us. Okay, I think that will be good starting point. If any of you have any more question, we can take that, or else any questions?
Yes, Alpesh.
Yeah.
Just last question. Since even I am looking for change in the industry. So with the help of Power BI, what sort of opportunities will be there? Like,
Yeah,
I'm
right.
completely unaware actually.
Yeah, right now what is happening in visualization world, like whatever kind of analysis you see, even uh, in the newspapers you see a lot many visuals, in the news you see a lot many visual, even you see election analysis, correct? They have a lot many analysis over there. So everything is coming from graphical interface, correct? Like the visualization is all over the world. So that's why organization, also every organization is going to have these visualization streams where they will have those streams. Definitely IT now has, like every leading company has their own Power BI teams. The way they have a C developer or Java developer or other developers. So that's why they do run a team which actually works on Power BI. There are a lot of the project development works for Power BI the same way for other tools, correct? So that way for every multi organizational company, because I have given interviews for a lot many companies, like from Infosys to TCS to all Accenture. So everyone has openings for Power BI developer. Even the
Oh,
small
okay.
scale company, it's not just the big companies. Even the small scale companies are like who are startups who are starting there. So they lot many of those company hire Power BI developers. So the basic designation for this is Power BI developer or visualization analyst, something like that. And depending upon
Okay.
your experience, they might take you as a senior position or at a junior position. That might vary,
Oh,
but the role will
yeah,
be you will have to develop Power BI reports there, and that will be. And through this course, definitely you will get that experience, like whatever. It's not like you will, though you will be starting new, then you definitely you can show like you have worked in your organization, like whatever experience you are right now, you can add that as a Power BI experience, because we will be going through lot many scenarios, so that whatever interview will be asked, definitely you will be able to answer those questions. So whatever experience
Okay.
2 years or 3 years you put, you will be able to justify that. So that will be the
Oh, okay.
objective, of course, because
Fair enough. Thank you.
we'll be going through real time scenarios also. And definitely when you go through this class, correct, you'll have those questions and then we'll be answering those questions. So at least 2 years, and then depending upon your knowledge base, correct, like how confident you feel, you can go further. But I'll suggest you can definitely go with at least 2 years of experience after completing this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry. Just one more thing. When you're talking about every time, that Power BI developer. So actually, we are not going into that, right? We are not developing anything in that. We are just learning this, how to use this tool, right? Am I okay or not? Make sense or?
Learning the tools means? Sorry.
So I mean,
Yeah.
I'm going to just learn this tool because it's already under. I mean, like I'm just learning it, that how this works, the features it has, all that, how it works, right?
Correct. But then the developer means when I say Power BI developer, the role of that Power BI developer is not to create a tool, it's to create those reports.
Is to create the reports only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That. Okay.
So
Fine.
a developer, like the tool that has been developed
Yeah,
by like native,
Yep.
a native technology language, like they might have used Java or something like to develop this tool. We're not going to that. But then if you have to develop a report, then they will be hiring a Power BI developers.
Okay. Fine. That makes sense. Thank you.
Okay, then if not any questions, Vaibhav or Ajinkya, if you have, we can take. Otherwise, I think we can wrap up this.
I am okay. I'm okay with all this.
Okay, then thank you all for joining. See you again. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Bye-bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Alpesh.
Bye.
Bye.